Hello, hello, hello. Hello, everyone.
In this quick video, I'll show you how to install WhatsApp on your smartphones. Many of you probably already know how to do this perfectly well, but some might not be as tech savvy or may have questions about certain steps. So I'll walk you through the WhatsApp installation process step by step. I'm using an Android phone, but it's nearly identical for both Android and iPhone. When I use the Play Store, iPhone users should use the App Store instead. Before we start, I recommend doing two things first. First, make sure your phone has a Google account set up. You need to have a Gmail account created and added to your phone. When you start your phone, it asks for an account to download apps like WhatsApp. Once you have the Google account set up, the next step is to insert your SIM card. Why? Because WhatsApp will ask for a verification code during installation, which will be sent to your mobile phone. If your SIM is in another device, you won't be able to complete the installation process. For easier installation in just 5 minutes, I recommend having your SIM card already in the phone and your mobile device ready. Alright, I think that's clear enough, so let's move on to the installation process. First, we need to open the Play Store. Go to the Google Store and type WhatsApp in the search bar at the top. You'll see WhatsApp appear right at the top. Tap on it, and there you have WhatsApp Messenger. This is the one you need to install. It's the official app, and it's completely free. There are no hidden charges, so don't worry about that at all. Tap Install and wait a few seconds for the app to finish downloading. We have it now. As you can see, the app is installed, and we have the option to open it, so let's do that. Here's the main WhatsApp screen. Welcome to WhatsApp. These are the terms. Let's accept and continue. Now comes a step that might be a bit tricky or confusing for some of you. This is why I said to have your SIM card with your phone number already in the mobile. Here's where we'll enter our phone number to receive the verification message and also to choose which phone number we want to use for WhatsApp. Once we've entered the phone number, we tap Next. It asks if we want to edit the number or if it's correct. In this case, it is, so we tap OK. Next is the verification message. We'll receive an SMS shortly. As you can see, once the SMS arrives, it configures itself automatically. Why does this happen? It's because the SIM card is in this phone. As you saw, I didn't touch anything. It asked for a verification code. An SMS arrived, and the phone automatically entered the code, verifying and moving to the next step. So, if the SIM card is in the phone, you hardly need to do anything. There are two scenarios. If you don't have the SIM card inserted, you'd need to check the other phone with the SIM, get the code, and enter it here. Then you'd return to this step. Number 2, if you got the SMS but your phone didn't recognize the code, just open the SMS, copy the 4-digit code, go back to WhatsApp, enter it, and hit continue. You'll return to this screen. Back to installation. This screen is asking for permission to access your photos and videos. This allows WhatsApp to receive and send images. Okay, let's hit continue. It'll ask for a contact access permission, all right? We need to allow this, plus photos and files too. Now it'll ask if we want to restore an old backup. I don't have any, and if this is your first time installing WhatsApp, you won't either. If you want to restore a backup, grant permission. I'll skip this step, okay? We're not loading any backup since this is a fresh install. Let's skip this. Next, it'll ask for a profile photo at the top. This will be your WhatsApp picture. Below, enter your name, which others will see on WhatsApp. We must enter a name to continue, all right? Enter your name and tap Next. Now the phone is launching WhatsApp, and as you can see, all conversations appear. WhatsApp is now fully installed and ready to use, okay? That's all we need to do. Now we have WhatsApp installed and fully functional. ready to chat with any of our contacts. Well guys, that's it for this video. I hope it helped you. If so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. There's also a thanks button below where you can leave a featured comment. I'll reply, and it really helps me grow the channel. That's all from me. As always, it's been a pleasure. See you in the next video.